So my taxi driver dropped me off at an elephant hospital next to the actual elephant hospital, and when I got there I saw pictures to ride the elephants, so I left, and the real hospital is right here, right around the corner. The world's first elephant hospital. First, I watched a short video about the patients of the elephant hospital and learned some history about the place. Fez is the world's first elephant hospital. They've helped nurse thousands of elephants back to health in the past 21 years, from simple cases like elephants with stomach bloating, diarrhea, or ear infections, to much more critical cases like knife and gunshot wounds from poachers. They don't receive any government aid or steady income. You can visit this hospital for absolutely no cost, and the only money that they get is donations from the public. They don't know when or where their next donation is coming from, and they simply do all of this because of their love for elephants. This elephant's name is Motala. She was blown up in a landmine, and this hospital took her in very near death. They had to amputate her leg because the damage was so bad, and now they're working to build her prosthetic legs, which they have to constantly update every few months because she's always growing.